Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we'll be making Asian lettuce wraps with a fruit salad. So we've got our pan heating up on about medium-high heat with just a splash of oil to cook our onions, our garlic, and these other ingredients. But what we've done a little bit in advance is browned our turkey and drained off all the fat, and it's ready to go back in here in just a couple of minutes. So to get started, we're going to go in with our chopped onions. We've also rinsed our lettuce leaves, and they're sitting over on the cutting board, waiting to be filled. Add our garlic in. Do this. I'm going to add just a tiny pinch of salt because we are using soy sauce. Also have some minced ginger. We have soy sauce. We have hoisin sauce. We want 2 good spoonfuls of that. Let all these flavors come together. And then we will add our turkey back in, some rice wine vinegar, as well as our scallions or green onions. You can already smell all these flavors coming together. And add our turkey back in. Turn my heat down now. I'm going to add our rice wine vinegar, some nice acidity, and our green onions. We're just going to give this a couple of more minutes on the heat to let all these flavors come together. Then we will pull this off the heat, set it aside, allow it to cool before we put it into our lettuce wraps. Otherwise they'll wilt on us and they'll be too hot to handle, so just want to give them a couple of minutes off the stove. Okay, at this point you can see that all of the flavors have kind of combined. You can see that the turkey's coated and all of the Asian ingredients that we've added into the mix here are soy sauce, our hoisin, our vinegar. Everything's coated. Onions are nice and soft. So at this point we can kill the heat. Pull this aside and let it set and cool. Now we have a fruit salad in the fridge, cooling off. And we've got some mangoes, some strawberries, some grapes. You could really add any kind of fruit that you wanted into the mix, whatever your family prefers. We're going to serve that on the side with our wraps. So we'll let this cool. We'll put it in the wraps and we'll plate it up and show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.